Are you tired of spending hours each week manually updating project statuses? What if I told you there's a way to automate all of that? In this video, I'll show you how to automate project updates in Microsoft Teams using Microsoft Copilot and Power Automate. Meet the stars of today, Microsoft Copilot and Power Automate. Copilot summarizes data, interprets metrics, and creates actionable updates. Power Automate is the ultimate workflow tool that connects apps and automates repetitive tasks, a game changer for project management. To get started, you'll need access to Microsoft Teams, a data source like SharePoint or Excel, and basic permissions for Power Automate. Step 1. Create a Power Automate flow. Log in and select Scheduled Cloud Flow to trigger daily updates. This trigger will ensure your updates are sent automatically, keeping your team informed without manual effort. Step 2. Fetch data with Copilot. Connect to your data source and let Copilot summarize key details. Copilot pulls details like completed tasks, pending items, and progress percentages to create clear updates. Finally, post these updates to a Teams channel using the Power Automate action for messaging. Advanced configurations can enhance automation with dynamic triggers, multiple data sources, and visual formatting. By implementing this workflow, teams can save an average of 5+ hours per week. Imagine what you could achieve with that saved time. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more.